If the file name is enclosed in angular brackets, the preprocessor searches for it in the standard library directory. If the file name is enclosed in double quotation marks, the preprocessor searches for it in the current directory. When the file name is found, the preprocessor inserts the entire contents of it into the source code of our program. After insertion, then this source code is passed on to compilation phase. Let us see an example of using #include directive. #include math.h, #include test.h. Here you can see math.h is in angular brackets, test.h is in double quotation. When we compile this program, the preprocessor executes the directive #include and searches for the header files math.h and test.h. When they were found, it inserts the entire contents of both math.s and test.h header files as part of the program. After insertion, the source code is passed to compilation phase. Let us move on to conditional compilation directives. Conditional compilation directives allow certain portions of a program to be selectively compiled or ignored depending on specified condition. The most commonly used directives are the #if directive, the #endif directive, the #else directive, the #elif directive, the #ifdef directive, the #if and def directive. The #if and #endif directives. The general form of #if is #if constant expression, in parenthesis statements, parenthesis closed, #endif, then follows the rest of the program statements. #if directive is executed prior to compilation phase. Hence, the constant expression must contain only previously defined identifiers or constants. Variables are not used. If this constant expression is true, then the statements between #if and #endif block will be included into the source code and passed on to compilation phase. If it is false, the statements are skipped from the compilation. #endif directives makes the end of the if block or #if block.